Design and 3D print your own camera gear. In this video we dive into the world of 3D printing. Even an affordable F10 printer offers you the possibility to produce your own parts. I am currently developing a modular system for mounting and clamping camera gear. This is very helpful for my YouTube studio and it's fun printing functional parts. I use standard PLA filament and the results are astonishing. So let's take a look at the first design and how it's being printed. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.